Hey guys, so yun na nga, I'm back for this Valentine's event, no. So ngayon, what are we going to do is to get the latest code, no. Para makuha nyo yun, all you need to do is go here in the website, Facebook page of Run Mobile, the masterclass. Then check their post. So as you can see, here you go. Happy Valentine's Day, RMTMC community. Then to celebrate this special day, we have a gift code, and here is the gift code, araw ng nguso. So yun guys, araw ng nguso. Then we can claim it here. So as you can see, I already logged in. Then check here, 3 lines on the upper right corner of your screen. Then here sa baba ng Run Mobile logo, left side of your screen, click events, then gift code. So here, all you need to do is type the gift code. So here, ayan, araw ng nguso. So ewan ko ba't ganyan, di ba yung araw ng puso? But anyway, so yan, all you need to do is type it there. Ay, nawala. So yun, ulitin natin. And yan, so I'm not sure if limited pa rin siya guys, no? Ay, hindi ko na enter. Pero once na na-receive nyo siya, dun siya papasok sa email nyo in-game. So here, yan, as you can see, success, gift claimed successfully, and check it in-game. Now we will go in-game to check what are those rewards. Hey guys, so here you go. We are online now, and you can see the dots, 3 dots on the upper right hand corner of your screen. Click this, then click the mail beside skills or inventory. Okay, now you can get, oh nice, you can get this too. Okay, you can get this. Alright, so these are love heart for 60 days. Nice guys, so these are headgear, and this is the other war token times 1. Okay, so here guys, as you can see, there is a heart on the head. Okay, so here, ayun no, angas guys, no. So yeah, I think that's it for today, and happy leveling. Don't forget that today is ×4 rate of XP. Bye.